Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to copy a file in Python. So basically, what we will be doing is copying a file from a directory A to another directory B. And we will be doing it using a library called as Shootle. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So Shootle is an inbuilt library that is available when we install the Python folders. So we do not need to install it using any pip commands. So all we need to do is we need to say import Shootle, and then we can simply use a function called as Shootle dot copy to, and this copy to takes in two arguments. That is the first argument, which is the current working directory of that file that you want to copy, and the second argument is the directory into which you want to copy the file. So I've already got my files directory already ready with me, so I'm just going to copy that and paste that here. So first one is present inside the desktop and inside the Hackinon folder, and the name of the file is wow.txt, and I want to shift it towards the document section of my computer, that is in the C colon. So let me copy this code from here and paste that here, and within the users and within my account section, I, instead of going into the desktop, I will go into the documents directory. And now to just confirm that the current execution is complete of the code, I'll create a print statement and I will say that the file has been copied. And now let's just quickly run this program. And once you run this program, within a quick amount of time, we get a print statement saying that the file has been copied. So let's try to confirm this. So as you can see, I've kept both the directories open inside my file manager, and here you can see the wow.txt that we was present and we took to copy, and this is the document section. And if I scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see here wow.txt is now present. So basically we copied one file from one directory to the other directory using the Shootle library. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions, drop them down in the comment section below, and we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.